Hey guys, Pat here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And we live in a society of instant gratification. And Mrs. Rain, she's no exception. So we got a whole month before our anniversary. And so she said she wants her anniversary present right now. So I have to go get her anniversary present. Not quite 30 days, well, maybe 25 days from now is our anniversary, but she wants it right now. And I can understand why, because the weather is conducive for the anniversary present. And I'll take you for a ride. We'll go get Mama's anniversary present. You want to go for, do you want to go for a ride? Well, let's see if I can find my keys first. Just a minute. I gotta find my keys, buddy. Okay, buddy. Hurry up. Whoop, yupper. Whoop, whoop. There you go. Look at that. Anniversary present?
No.
More to come, honey.
We like poop here.
Anyway. So the chickens are just having a heyday here. Yep, they're debugging it for us. Now they can just get all the weeds out too. That'd be good.
Yeah, especially the morning glory. I've got most of my pots taken care of, including these ones just inside the greenhouse. These pots in here get used for seedlings for a while, and then those go into different places, and then these will be where I grow my peppers We'll see once I get all the stuff in the greenhouse and finish spreading it out front. And
Well, we brought 5 yards home, so hopefully that's enough to get us going for a while. Mama Rain can never have too much. I give her quite a bit.
never too much food.
Yeah.
Except for when it's Mr. Rain's.
Well, that ain't no way to be.
Feeding me garbage.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of Mama's anniversary present for 2019. It's the same present I've been giving her for the last few years. She's tickled to death with it. But if you kind of know who we are and what we're trying to accomplish here, you'll understand the anniversary present thing. So anyway, we appreciate you coming by. Thanks for watching. Take care.
And God bless.